Okay, what is... Eto na yun! Eto na! Yeah, hello sa inyo mga kalods, and we are back again with another video na naman na kung saan lalaro tayo ng isang indie horror game na tinakot din talaga ako noon. At I know na naaalala nyo na to, which is Fears to Fathom Norwood Hitchhike. Bakit ko siya babalikan? Dahil hindi ko po nakuha yung good ending. Anyways, simulan agad natin tong video na to. Let's go na. Okay, ito na. Fears to Fathom, episode 2. Wow! Yeah! Classic. Norwood Hitchhike. Sheesh! June 60. Oh. I don't really remember the story of this game, pero let's see na lang. So na, this happened to me when I was 19 years old. I'm a little over 21 now. I still remember this very clearly because of how creeped out I felt. I was a bit hesitant to write this out for the internet at first, but getting it out may help, even if it's just a little bit. I was one of those people that loves gaming convention. I go to every convention I get the chance to, and sometimes even meet some of my online friends. Though my parents weren't always thrilled at the idea of me going on interstate drive, but a plane ticket would have been too expensive. This convention I was at went great, and it was now the day to drive back home. But when I set off, I soon realized the traffic was horrible. I decided that I'd take the long way to avoid the traffic. It was a little over 12 hours drive. Sheesh! So, how long are we gonna be on this? Wait, can I turn off this music? Ay, ito ba? So, driving at the night is really therapeutic for me. Well, at least it used to be. Oh! Wait lang, may nag-text! So, dali, into. Very nice. Ay, hiwalay natin yung kay Aidan, tapos hiwalay natin yung kay Dad. Dito muna tayo kay Dad. You called? Yeah, I think I'm going to that convention. Could I get your car for like 5 days, please? With who? Aidan, that internet friend? He's a nice guy. No, you're not going on a 10-hour drive You're not going to a 10-hour drive by yourself. Well, I've already made up my mind. I'll drive you. Why don't you understand anything? Let's talk when I get home. Drive safe, Holy. Don't forget to call me. Yeah. You got it, Dad. Aidan Williams. Anything else? Leaving now. Drive safe, Holy. Discord. We got takes. So, I'll see if I can get the car. Let you know. Finally. What? Let you know. Finally going to take the Milo on the walk. Milo on a walk? Lol. Alright, lol. Okay, the plan is on. Oh, yes. Wait, you're getting the car? Yup. Big girl. Big girl. You sure Ash can come? I'll get the skateboard too. Ano yan? So, this really cool skateboard nearby. Oh, sounds fun. Discord, where are you? Almost there. I don't see you. Kid shirt? It was fun. I had a good time. Thanks for joining. Oh, yun na yung pagkatapos nila. Again, you sure driving all the way back? I don't really have a choice now, do I? Could have left tomorrow morning. Okay, give me a call when you reach back to your key. Oh, wow. Grabe. Okay, Dad, not sure it will be this lifetime though. What do you mean? Stuck in the biggest traffic jam of the country. That sucks. It's not too good here either. I think it's the people from the convention. That's it, I'm rerouting here. You gotta do what you gotta do. I think okay, so ito na yung pagre-route natin. So, nagbago tayo ng daan. Tol, seryoso ka ba dadaan ka sa magubat na daanan? Don't you think na parang delikado yun para sa'yo? Kulit lang Di ko alam kung nag-iisip pa ng na maayos si Holy o talagang napaka-holy shems lang talaga ng pag-uugali niya. Di ko magets Ayo, gets ba? Bahala na kayo. Kung di nyo magets ako, hindi rin. Huwag nyo akong tanongin. Dad, nagdadrive ba ako? Where did you reach? Still about 6 hours away from the city. Got stuck in nagrarason nagpalit ka lang naman ng daanan. Pwede ka naman magsabi na lang ng totoo. Siraulo ka talaga no? Ayusin mo na lang kasi pagsasalita mo. Pwede ba umaming ka na lang? Wala namang mawawala sa'yo Oh no. Near halfway through the drive, I realized I was low on... Oh no! No way! No, Shemay. Di naman siguro tayo maubusan ng gas, no? Kasi, I wasn't, sorry, I wasn't paying attention. My bad. Opo. Magkamote driver muna tayo dito, okay? Dad naman, nagdadrive nga yung tao eh. Told you to take that flight. Shut up. Sabi ng ayoko, pauwi na nga eh. Ito na nga, pauwi na nga eh. Ano gusto mo, sunduin mo pa ako dito? Nakakotse ako, ganun. Pakagaling mo, Dad. You're so good. Told you take that flight. Wala kang pinagkaiba sa iba dyan eh. Sarap mong pisilin sa noo, you know? Gigigil ako sa'yo eh. Oh, wait. Gas station! We got gas. Magkakaroon na tayo ng gas. Sobra. Tol, sumobra ka. Ano ba? Sumobra ka, tol. Umayos ka. There. Sobra. Iya. Okay na yan. Okay na to. Okay na yan. Diba? Okay na yan. Told you. Norwood gas station. Very nice. We're gonna get a gas. Ganun na po. Opo, yes. Power. Kuya! Ma'am? Hi, can I get a $10 on pump 2? Yes! I need that. No? You heading to the bridge by yourself? Why? Not a lot of people head down there this time of year. Be careful. What do you mean? We're about to century? What? For about a century now, many people have been going missing down there. And people who went looking for them never... Aha. Okay. Locals say the Norwood Valley monster had turned them up and hung them up upside down on trees. Cool? I don't know. Well, thanks for the gas. Thank you, Kuya. You know that? I do appreciate it. Wait, we got another guy here. You heard about the Norwood Valley monster? Huh? The Norwood Valley monster, you know anything? Big mistake? Ang rude mo naman, Kuya. Holy? Yes, Mom? What is it? Wait. Naduda-duda tong sasakyan na to. Oh no, don't tell me. Don't tell me talaga. Oh, and one more thing. If you see a woman in white or blue gown trying to get a ride, do not stop. Just step on gas as hard as you can. Okay, who is she? Some people say that she died in a car accident there on prom night. Some say that she seeks vengeance after she was murdered there. Okay. Regardless, she's out for blood. Whatever you do, never ever under any circumstance pick up a hitchhiker. Hey. Those people out there on the road putting their thumbs out, they ain't what you think, ma'am. They just ain't. Okay. Sure, Kuya. Thank you. Guys, so weird talaga. Legit. May ginawa ba? Wait lang, may text si ma'am sa atin. I don't know if you will find store at this hour. We're out of dog food. Could you get something for Milo? I'll pay you back. Sure. Dito na rin naman tayo eh. Okay, dog food. Sige. We need a dog food, right? Dog food. Is this one? Yup. Ito ata yun. Ito yun, right, kuya? That will be $5, mama. Okay. Sige, magbabakit tayo. Pwedeng hindi. Alangan naman isnatchin ko pa yan. Grabe, dog food na lang yan. Baka mapagkamalan pa akong aso, diba? Mukha na ngang aso eh, no? Mukha na ngang aso, oh. Mapagkakamalan pa ng aso. Ay, nako po. Okay, sure. So, we're gonna put this in the back. Okay, man. Very good. Now, we're gonna get a pump. Dalihan mo, kuya. Kuya, ate pala. Ate kita, 19 years old ka na eh. Ano pa lang ako eh. I feel that I was ready to off the road again. Let's go. Ayun, ate ko to si Ate Holy. Yes, Holy Shems. Okay, gotta do what you gotta do, Holy. Muntik na! Buti, hindi dumiretso. Being on the road, you do realize a thing. Like what? Monsters truly do exist. No? What do you mean by that? And every single one of them just like you and me. So you're saying the monster is not actually a monster look? Kumbaga hindi sila nakakatakot. But what you mean is tao din sila. Right? Ano ba to? Theory ba to? Ganon? Logic? Hindi ko magets. Ano ba meron sa game na to? Para guys, yun yung gusto niyang ipahiwatig sa atin doon. I think nire-refer niya yung mga taong psychopath, yung mga pumapatay, mga murderer, mga sexual na tao, ganun. I think yun yung nire-refer niya dito eh. Pero, bumiyok pa! Kuya, ate. Uy, naabutan natin. Ikaw, kuya! Ikaw nagdadrive ka. Muntik mo na ako masagkasaan, alam mo ba yun? Muntik na tayo magkaroon ng car crash. Oo. Puminto ka! Pwede bang bumusina dito? Parang hindi naman yata. Pinto ka! Pinto ka! Aba, tinakbuhan pa ako, napakagaling, ala. Ala, sira ulo. Tumakbo pa yun? Baliw! Baluga ka ba? Tatakbuhan mo ako? Okay ka lang? Grabe. Napakapangit naman ng pag-uugali nito. Kung ako sa'yo, hindi kita gaganyan eh. Maharot. Pero imagine driving this kind of place, tapos meron ka lang lo-fi music, tapos ganito yung views mo, pero hindi gabi ha. Hindi gabi or madaling araw, but hapon. Imaginein mo, from afternoon to night, nagda-drive ka lang dito, kumbaga mo lang, joyride mo lang, or mo lang, road trip mo lang, ganun. Sheesh. Tama mo ng lo-fi, trust me, napakasarap sa feeling. Grabe. Mas ayun may madadaanan kang bridge. To be honest, bridge is one of my favorite talaga. Any kind of bridge, basta meron lang siyang ilog talaga. Ewan ko, parang I feel relaxed pag nakikita ko yung agos ng tubig. Pero dito hindi ko makikita yan, syempre napakadilim. Tsaka feeling ko bangin. Nakita ko parang black na nakatayo. Hopefully nasapatan yun, no? Basta dyan banda nakatayo siya doon. Shit, my. Kung ano man yun, ayoko na malaman. Bahala kayo dyan. Bahala kayo, ayoko na. Hindi ko gugustuhin na malaman yung mga ganong bagay. Huli, sigurado ka pa ba sa desisyon mo nito? Like, I mean, nasa kagubatan ka na? Talaga bang ruta pa ba to? Parang wala naman yatang labasan dito, right? Wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong ha, pero feeling ko wala nang labasan to dito, trust me. Maniwala kayo sa akin, wala na tong labasan. As in, sabi, di ba, nagpalit lang sila ng ruta, nagpalit lang siya ng ruta. Hindi na to nagpalit ng ruta, trust me. Iba na talaga to. Masama na kutob ko dito, promise. I have a feeling na we're gonna die. Well, I mean, technically, I die naman talaga kasi nung last episode. Uy, may rabbit. Nakita ko si Bish. Okay? Kung di nyo kilala si Bish, ililib ko yung link ng niya, YTC niya. Wait, there's something very weird things about that night. I saw two big logs in the middle of the road blocking the way ahead. Why? Bakit? Bakit may ganito? Sa daanan, kita mo yung gitnang daanan niya, no? How? Gaano kalakas yung tao na naglagay nito dito? Like yung totoo sa atin, ha? Napakalakas naman ng taong yun, di ba? Para malagay niya yan. Okay, I think we're good. Yeah, definitely we're good. Sige na, tara na. Watch na natin to. No! No! Hindi na umaandar. What? Ano nang gagawin ko dito? Hindi na umaandar. Paano pa ako aalis niyan? Paano ako uuwi? And just like that, I was in the middle of with no phone service. Kita nyo, wala pang phone service. I'm not saying that I believe the bullcrap to the gas station clerk pulled. Okay? But I would be lying if I say I didn't feel slightest of unease. I mean, kahit ako rin naman kung nagdadrive ako. I don't meant to make this sound like a cringe horror story, but what? Throughout my life, I was told not to take rides from stranger. Well, totoo naman. But at that moment, I had no choice. Technically, wala ka ng choice, okay? I was scared to think how long would it take for someone to pass? And just like that, we're dead. PM. 10:23. Okay, 10:23. Kaya to. We can clutch this one. Okay? We can. Okay, ano na? I saw a car near. Oy! May sasalubong na ba sa ate? Kuya! Pinto! Pinto! Pure evil. Pure evil talaga. I don't understand how could somebody leave another human being stranded like that. I don't know as well. Now what? Now what? Ano na? Another oras na naman. O, anong oras naman to? 10:43 PM. 10:43, 20 minutes ata. Yeah, 20 minutes. Yung lumipas. Grabe. Ibig sabihin, 40 minuto. Hindi. Tama, 40 ba? Yung 40. 40 minutes ka na nag-aantay. May darating pa ba? Pa tumulong sa'yo? Or something? I don't really understand, ha? Yeah, ayun. Please, huminto ka, huminto ka, huminto ka, huminto ka, huminto ka. Ito. Please, 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 please. Yes! Yes! Finally, may huminto! Teka, Holy, bakit ang bagal mo maglakad? Anong problema mo? May pilay ka ba? I don't get it. Bakit ang bagal niya maglakad? Yo, Hol! Your girl from the gas station. Thank you so much for stopping. What are you trying to do out here? I think my car just broke down. You think I can get a ride? Just down here somewhere I can call for the... Yeah. Happen. Thank you so much. Could you wait till I get my stuff? Hurry up, just throw it in the back. I won't be here for too long. Okay po. Okay po. Sa wakas, may tumulong din sa atin. Grabe. After 40 minutes, simula nung masiraan ka ng kotse. Sheesh. Grabe. Can you imagine that thing na mangyari sa'yo? That's why din talaga, kung sakali man magkakaroon ako ng kotse, i-check ko muna lahat. Maintenance, gasolina, kung ano pa man mga kailangan kong i-check. So that hindi ako may stranded in somewhere, especially kung wala pang signal, ganun yung mga pupuntahan. Or something pa man, let's say event or kung ano pa man. Talagang pipilitin kong ayusin lahat muna for the meantime. Kasi ano pa bang choice mo, 'di ba? Ano pa choice mo? Eh di wala. Kung ako sa sitwasyon nito, wala. Hindi ako tatagal sa ganito. Probably maglalakad-lakad ako or something. Maghahanap ng signal, babalik na sa bridge. I don't know. Maybe I can do a lot of things. Pero di ko pa rin alam, di ko pa rin sure yun. Walang kasigurado sa mundong to. Ano sasabi sa inyo? Yeah, finally. I'm done, Kuyang Kalbo. You need to hurry up. I don't have all day. I'm done. Finally, now happen quick. Okay, sure. Kalma. Ano, may papatay ba sa'yo? Ganon? Grabe ka naman magmadali, di ba? Okay, ito na. Nakasakay na. Oh. Now what, kuya? Ang awkward pala pagkasama mo, sugar daddy. Please lang. So, you won't tell me who you are, where you're going? I was driving home. And that piece of crap broke down on me. Jason, what? My name's Jason. I'm Holy. Wala naman siguro masama magpakilala, no? I mean, tinulungan naman niya tayo eh. There's nothing wrong with that. Okay? Papakilala ka lang naman eh. Ay. You're really lucky I had to be on this side of the town tonight. I must say, you're one brave young woman. How's that? You got any clue what happened to your car back there? It was the battery? Are you sure? It's my dad, it's pretty old. Yup. Basta old talaga? Wag mo nang kunin. Pag luma, pinaglumaan na. Parang What do you think about what he told you back at the gas station? He's funny. Yeah, to be honest, funny. Okay. Interesting, pero na-curious din ako at the same time. AJ tells that to every person traveling down here. Oh? Really? What? I didn't know that. Or maybe nakalimutan ko lang. Probably. I don't know. Uy, ang pogi mo pala, no? So, is it true? Oh, there are some things. And I'm afraid your car breaking down could have been one of them. Hey, listen. I don't wanna sound like that moron, but just remember this. You don't bother them and you don't be bothered. But wala naman akong ginawa as you can see, di ba? Isa pa, notif na naman. You know, I'm sorry for being a jerk to you before. I'm not the best with people. Yeah, it's okay. Fine. Fine, okay. Thank you. Thank you na nag-apologize ka pa din sa akin. I do appreciate that kind of thing. I mean, apologizing to someone na parang naging rude ka or something, it's not really bad. Okay? Hindi naman masama yun. Ikaka-take away ba ng pride mo? Okay, 12:08 a.m. 12:08. Sheesh, grabe, 2 oras. After a little bit of small talk, he dropped me by a motel. Apparently, they offered roadside assistance. Besides, I thought I could use a little rest. Be careful, there are all kinds of people out there, he said ominously before leaving. There are all kinds. Okay, I'm gonna be careful po, sige. Okay po. Gal, need a room to shack up for the night? Yes, I'm only... okay. $40 for single. Aray! Aray ko naman, nananadya. Pay cash only. Oh, ito na, magbabayad na nga eh. Nananadya ka eh, no? Room number 9, right over there. Okay, sure. Talk about the car. $90. Tomorrow, Tommy will take care of it next thing in the morning. Good, good. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Good, I'll let Tommy know. Thank you. And one last thing. Try not to wake the other guests. They might not take very nicely to it. Okay po. Okay po, thanks for letting me know. Ariga, thank you. You know that. Thank you. Gotta go na. I'm gonna go na. Room number 9, sige. Wala namang problema sa akin yan eh. At least we can take a rest na din. Pwede na. Teka, ang dami na ba? Dami na ng text. Oh, Holly, it's gonna be late. When you reach back, hope you're feeling alright. I'll be alright, Dad. Where did you reach? Why are you not picking up the call? What do you mean reroute? Dad, I may have to stay by call me right now, Holly. Oh, Shemay. Nag-aalala na sila o nagpapanggap lang sila nag-aalala? It was nice and warm inside. Okay. Except there was smell of type of musky smell you get from old houses. Baka alikabok lang yan. Okay, what is... Eto na yun! Eto na! Nagka-culture siya katawan ko dun ha. Loko! What are you doing? I should be asking you. God, the front desk gave me this room. You know, cleaning stuff. I'm gonna have to ask you to step outside while I make the... Okay! Don't scare me like that again! Will you? Grabe. Seryoso, katatakutin mo ako ng ganun? Ha? Grabe, naka full volume pa naman ako. Really need energy soda. Energy soda? Maybe we have here soda. Yeah, to soda can. Kung nawala na yung nervous ni Holy, ako hindi pa. Like, holy shems. Grabe. Gulat ako dun ah. Loko. Sana masarap ulam mo mamayang gabi. Mamayang umaga, I mean. Shemay. Grabe. Grabe ka na, kuya. I'm gonna drop this here muna. Show. I'll worry with you about the situation. What is wrong with these people? Mercy, mercy, mercy. But don't you worry, it's safe here. I go get your car. And also, the wrong spawn is not working. If need anything, just ask the front desk. We've been trying to get it fixed, but we haven't been seeing enough guests lately. But you have a good night. Actually, sasabay ako sa'yo, kuya. Kukunin ko pa isa kong gamit eh. Alam mo yun? I wonder saan siya pupunta. Sige nga. Let's see nga. Let's figure it out kung saan siya pupunta. Teka, saan to? Pupunta rin ba siya sa front desk? I guess pupunta rin siya dun ha. Hindi ko lang alam, hindi ko lang sure. Bangan nga natin. Baka backstabin tayo ng mga to eh. Sige, sige. Where is he? Saan na siya? What? Ay, eto. Teka, parang dediretso siya sa kotse. Ah, ganun. Yan naman pala. Akala ko dediretso siya sa ano. Sa motel, sa front desk. Akala ko babackstabin tayo. Sayang naman. Okay, open that. Close that door. Seryoso ka, tol? Are you being serious right now? Drop it off and... Finally! Finally, we're gonna take a rest na. Hi! Matutulog ka ba? What now? Are you gonna sleep or something? Now what? So wala, hihiga lang tayo. Edi sige, higa ka lang. Mukha ba ako may pake? Yeah. No freaking way. No freaking way. No. No. Ano yan? Call it a foresight, but there was something very off about that place. Get up, get up, get up. Get up, get up, get out of your bed. I couldn't have shake that feeling that wasn't right. The feeling toward this was overcoming by anxiety. Pumasok na siya ng kwarto. Hot coffee. A hot cup of coffee could help, I thought to myself. There's gotta be some coffee machine dito, right? I mean, hindi naman magsasabi siguro si Holy na gusto niya ng kape kung walang kape, di ba? There's gotta be. Ay, ito! Ito. Yun. Coffee! Espresso! Espresso! Sosyalin tayo eh. Espresso. Dali, napakatagal naman. Gano'ng kalaki ba yung baso? Okay na, okay na. Oh no. No. Anong nangyayari? Wait, what? Ha? Ano nangyayari? Tol, I feel there's something wrong dito talaga sa lugar na to. Holy, hindi ka nagkakamali. May mali sa lugar na to. Okay? And I can see it na... Dad, no. Not now, Dad. Please, not now. Oh. Please. No. Maling kwarto. Ang hirap ng control. Inverted na siya. Close the door. Close. Napakahirap. Hirap ng control. We could do something different. Maybe we can figure out some way. Close the door. Tapos, higa. There's really something wrong with this place na hindi ko pa talaga nalalaman sa ngayon. Grabe tong game na to. This is so intense, okay? Nasa peak na tayo na part ng game. Shemay, napakaganda ng game to be honest. 3:80. Okay, alas 3 na madaling araw. I was sedated. Sedated? Are you serious? There's someone calling. Teka, di ba? There's something wrong with this place. You know, there really is. What ba? There was some guy. I'm not freaking jinking right now, okay? I'm no longer jinking around dito. May pumasok sa closet, okay? I don't know who. I don't know when. May May papasok yata. Didn't feel safe going up. But, holy! Nasa loob na yung papatay sa'yo! Oh, open the door. Hi! Didn't I specifically tell you not to wake anyone up? I have complaints. What are you making all this goofy noise for? Whatever it is, just keep it down, miss. Mention the coffee machine. Is that why your eyes are all red? No! No! Are you messing with me? No, I'm not. It's right over there. We don't have no coffee machine here. Okay, here. I've had enough of you crazy goons here. For once I thought we had the sober guest, but I guess I'm the crazy one here. Follow me. Please joke. I hate my job. Matabi dyan. Sundan mo ako, nandito yun ha. Hindi pwedeng wala yun dito. Okay? Hindi pwede. Dahil kayo, ikaw Joe, naglalagay kayo ng coffee machine na pwedeng makahilo or pwedeng mag-cause ng pagko-collapse. And yet, problema ba glasses ko? What? I could have sworn dito yun. Where is it now? Andito yun. I promise. Oh, why are you so close? What happened to me? Show your compassion now. I said go back. Okay, sure. But there should be some medication in your room that should offer you some relief. Check the table by the TV. You know what? I no longer believe you, okay? What if plano na naman akong lasunin na to or something and then do something on me? Paano kung ganun yung mangyayari? I don't really know anymore. Like, grabe. From 9, okay, this one. Just close the door just to make sure, okay? Okay, may medication daw. Baka ito yung tinutukoy, wait lang. Yeah, this one. Ay, grabe. Grabe talaga. Drink some water. Go ahead. You know, I really can't tell bakit tayo nandito sa lugar na to. Kasi alam ko, nagkaroon tayo ng car crash or car breakdown. Then, pumunta tayo sa motel, nasi-date tayo. Then, ngayon naman, hallucination. It feels like ang dami nangyayari ngayon sa game na to. Bakit? Anong rason? Bakit napakarami nangyayari? Can anyone tell me kung bakit ganun? Kasi, nagiging uncomfortable na ako sa game, okay? It's being little uncomfortable for me. Knowing na kanina may sumilip, pagkatapos, tinamaan tayo ng anxiety, uminom ng kape, nasi-date, tapos yung lalaki sumilip, nakita natin sa closet kanina. Which is sana naman wala na siya ngayon doon. Ang dami nangyari. Pero sa dami na nangyari, wala ako masyadong mag-get sa story. Like, bakit ganito? Bakit ganito? Nagiging malinaw naman yung flow sa akin somehow, but hindi siya feasible clearly na sino yung lalaki? Bakit siya sumusunod sa atin? Bakit tayo ini-stalk? Kasi halatang stalker na siya eh. There's a lot of question na gusto kong... Did I just hear a footstep? Nakarinig ba ako ng footstep? Or am I just hallucinating? Wait lang ah. Mukhang wala pa naman kahit na sino so far. So far wala pa naman oh. We're good. We're good pa siguro. Hopefully. I don't know what are we gonna do dito. Probably hihigalan tayo, mag-take a rest. May certain angle ba para may magka-progress yung game? Ganon? Like what? What now? I don't really care it. Bakit? Oh, fun! Fun! Binubulong siya. Binubulong siya, hindi ko maintindihan. Oh no. No way. No. There's no freaking way na mamamatay pa tayo dito.
Hello?
Pogi ng boses. Tama nga reaction ko nun. Ang pogi nga ng boses.
Hello? Hello?
Who is it? What do you want? Please open the door. I need help. Not. I need you. Please help. Please open the door. No? Hindi kanya ng boses ng may kailangan. Ano yung kailangan ko? I know you're in there. Eh, nandito nga ako. Sumagot nga ako, di ba? Tira ulo ka ba? Ano ba? Napakakulit mo. Katok ka ng katok. Please leave. Please go away or I'm going to call the cops. I just need to talk to Ezra. I'm not a cop. I know you're not a cop. Oh, yeah! Finally! Finally! Walang error sa tunog. Wala halos lahat. We're good. Grabe. To this day, I find it really weird that the manager inferred not to get the police involved as it would have affected Motel's reputation and let go of the situation. I believe that the town could have been home to a cult or a drug ring or possibly something even worse. So may arrive with the car after what felt like a year. I never went on a long trip again. I would always take airplanes. Tapos na, did we get the good ending? Well, that's the Fears of Atom no Road Hitchers for all of you guys. So, hopefully nag-enjoy kayo doon dahil ako nag-enjoy ako ng sobra. At sana'y kayo din. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat sa panood ng video na to. Alright tayo dyan. Alisin mo. Bufa. Tambol.